Well, hello there, Dave. What is today?
Sunday.
The 13th, I guess, right? Because I
V-Day.
saw something marked on and actually on our calendar that was pretty important.
It's V-Day.
V-Day. Can you tell everybody what that means?
It's like D-Day for getting the car done. I've been helping Julie restore this car, and today we finished it.
Oh, you mean your car?
Well, Julie's done most of the work.
Yeah, the goo.
Uh-huh.
So, V means?
Vixen.
And Dave has been working about 6 years on her.
5.5.
Okay, what kind of car is she?
DeLorean?
Wow. They're pretty, that's the car that was in, what movie was that?
Malibu Express.
I thought that's what. I think it was called Back to the Future.
Oh, that one too.
With
Yeah.
Michael J. Fox.
I've seen
Which was
that.
a big hit and kind of got the DeLorean exposed again, even though it wasn't being made at that time.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of grabbed Dave and wanted to get a little conversation with him before the party begins. So a lot of his friends are coming, DeLorean fans and neighbors and family, and just here to celebrate a really important day for him. So let the party begin. There's Dave, getting ready, doing last minute scrubbing there. So the party really hasn't begun yet. Hey Dave, smile.
Hi. I'm scrubbing.
Having fun?
No.
No. Well, Julie's going to help you soon.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, well here's Dave's DeLorean, which soon will be unveiled. A few people have already come. We got Jerry and Dan and Judy, Mike and Teresa, and another Dan who just actually purchased the DeLorean just recently. So this is it. And then, actually, this is how it all began. 17 boxes.
But if it keeps going after that, then you know it's definitely leaking.
Cool. Very cool.
Turn around, Dan. Smile.
Hello.
Being filmed.
You're always being filmed when you're in this room.
Oh, yeah. Well, there's people watching. They're probably
I
wondering what
hear
the next one is.
somebody.
Ah, that's funny. Why weren't they invited?
Amy!
How many people?
Amy and Steve and Miss Taylor. Hey! Oh my gosh! You're all excited, aren't you?
Taylor!
There's a secret hole in there.
Oh,
Yes.
zero.
Yes,
Okay.
I mean, outside of the game,
Place down in Latrobe. They
It's
matched
all
the
coming
color
together now.
perfectly.
I think I'm gonna have, how much did you charge you? $25 a piece. We have to get them on standby. Instead of having any more, they bought like double. Is it? Okay, so they would, but I mean, that was like a couple of years ago when we were calling on, you know, who?
She says it's cool
It's,
down here.
what's the name of the company?
It's all the way up on the filter.
Yeah.
That's one of the top.
Point is,
Okay.
won't stop. I mean, he's always exhausted.
So for those of you who haven't,
You have to realize you have to calm down.
for those of you who haven't heard this story, this car was disassembled by some genius who took apart a car with 1,700 miles on it to redo it. And we got it here in a U-Haul in boxes. And these are the last pieces to go on. So,
Oh. Thank you.
well, go ahead. Just lift up the hubcap. Yeah, the hubcaps. For some reason I bought 5, which is like part of my planning process.
I think it might be. They were discussing that.
It's a
Made for
custom,
that
yeah.
house. Okay. My husband has
Wait. Okay, action. We need an action
Julie got
shot.
hers on?
I think she got the back on. And she's on the front. Another quick and time.
Y'all done?
Julie, say when you're done.
done.
She beat you,
That's
Dave.
it.
Okay, who's gonna do the sound and music?
Do you want the Rocky? Dun, dun,
Yeah,
dun,
that's
dun,
good.
dun, 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 dun. Wow, that's beautiful.
Who's Anna?
Get it, Dan, how's it go?
Ooh.
Fourth flight. That's huge. Dan, you need that door launcher thing. Yes, the fox is in there. Dan, you need those door launchers. I love that. Get over that thought. Okay, we have to send the dog there.
Press any buttons, Lynn. Oh, hold on. I want to get the picture. Hey, Lynn, hold it.
Oh, the DMC's great, don't they?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Great. Did you see the fox?
Okay, Lynn, so up here and smile.
You bend in and look up at the headliner that goes to the T-top.
Okay, Lynn.
Alex?
Well, that one, they were still just like, okay, hurry, they're coming. And blue and
You're not
threw
clear.
them on there, so.
Great deal of light.
Unfortunately, about to
What's your hand?
pull it
No,
off.
he's my brother-in-law.
We had a competition. We looked at that logo. We looked at Fox Chapel Fox, Chapel Fox. And that one was considered cut out. It wasn't 3D.
Look, you got their Fox decals on the light thing. And Dan, look at the emblems here. I saw them.
The Fox Chapel Fox, yeah.
Get a head-on view too. In the front.
Okay.
That's where Julie went to high school.
I love
So
that.
that works out
You
pretty
see the fox underneath? Isn't it cool? I did. That's cool.
Hey Julie, we forgot.
Oh, wow.
You have to get it from the back then, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, you got the lights too.
350 feet of stroke cable.
Did you roll up those two things yourself, or? Well, since you're staying, then it goes back there.
And did you turn this into the insurance company, and how much is that going to kill you?
That's a question you should ask about. I don't know all details.
My insurance is nothing. I have a van. Who cares?
Yes.
Oh, well, she's busy.
We'll look at later, all right?
He already broke 2 in the last week. Oh yeah, he's flinging them. I could have killed him.
Yeah.
Apparently the rear end of the car lights up too.
Okay.
He broke it and he spilled it all over the new shoes, so we had to go switch shoes. And
Because it was a factory bed. How do I know it is? Oh, really?
Hey, Lynn.
So that's how I knew.
Smile. Okay, we got it.
I did have to bend that because when I put it on, it opened too high. With But the louvers only go up so far.
You back up as far as you
So
can.
I see why a lot of people have the bed. Yeah. I even tried putting the old bracket back on, and it still wouldn't go. And they were using the shocks to limit the travel of the wheel. What would happen is it would stretch too far, break the shock, and then it would turn over and cause the whole car to flip. And that was all it took was a safety. They left that off.
Well, this is the cake to celebrate this great feast, but
Very
obviously
nice.
it looks like it's been in a couple accidents, so I'm going to try to eat it.
No, that's just how it looked
before-
like earlier.
Yes, so
Yeah.
it's kind of slimed.
Right.
So hot the metal just
Right.
melted. So
I'm gonna
that was very
sneak
nice.
these up here so I can get into the ice here.
Oh, I think that's, it's just very, it melted.
Wow.
Oh, that is awesome.
Maybe we do still have the box somewhere.
I don't know. We might, yeah.
The real one way up there?
Oh, look how nice.
Let's wait for
Probably come across before. It's north of Mom doesn't understand.
Check the plan about it, but she loves it.
I already asked her that. I said, "Are you sure the kid's been a terror?" Oh, the worst part.
It's like my grandfather.
The worst part of the whole trip was when we leave, and I heard her scream, "Turn around! I want to get back to Georgia."
I put on.
You causing trouble over here?
I want to get in with
I
you.
have on. The problem with that was me finding the.
I have on Marty Mars.
Taking the chance with
So what's Marty?
No, don't break it.
It's a much bigger roll for you.
They weren't here.
You know what happened? Yeah, something about he said he had yeah, and then I love that. Decided he didn't want it anymore. That was essentially no.
It keeps melting. Frost is so humid that the one side went through. And the other side went unless it was just
Have you
I've
not
been
had
working on that
experience
for
with
5
all
hours.
this
It just it doesn't look like it. Trust me.
Yummy.
I've got a couple things I haven't had.
Chocolate or vanilla? How big? That was very nice. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Then I look at the connector.
Michael? Chocolate vanilla?
Wait.
He's filming you.
Oh, he gets the back end. Thanks, Mike.
Most likely that, but
Here you go, Paul. Yeah, but get somebody else who likes that.
Is it that cold?
Oh, okay. Betsy, chocolate cake? Chocolate cake?
Betsy?
There she is.
It looks great. About 10,000 less than I put in.